You've done all the hard work, you filled out the FAFSA, you got your financial aid award letter, you accepted your loans, and you completed all the requirements. Now you're sitting there wondering, okay, where is the money? How does it actually get from the government or the bank into your hands to pay for school? The process isn't as simple as a check showing up in your mailbox. There's a specific, multi-step system in place called disbursement, and understanding how it works is crucial for avoiding any last-minute panics about your tuition bill. In this video, we're going to demystify the entire student loan disbursement process. We'll follow the digital trail of your loan money from the lender to the school and finally to you. If there's anything left over, you'll learn the typical timeline, what the school does with the funds, what a refund really is, and most importantly, how to handle that refund responsibly so you don't end up with unnecessary debt for expenses you didn't truly need. Let's trace the money. The journey of your student loan money begins long before the semester starts, with you completing all the prerequisites. For federal loans, this means accepting your loans on the financial aid portal, completing entrance counseling, and signing the master promissory note. Until these three things are done, your school cannot even request the funds. For private loans, the process involves a credit check and a separate application with the lender, resulting in its own approval and promissory note. Once you are fully approved and the school has certified your enrollment to the lender, the clock starts ticking on disbursement. It's important to know that disbursement never happens before the semester actually begins. Schools have to confirm that you have officially started your classes. This is to prevent a situation where a student receives loan money and then never shows up for school. So, the first key takeaway is that you will not get your loan money during the summer before your fall semester. The earliest disbursement dates are usually right around the first day of classes, or sometimes even a week or two into the semester. You should be able to find the specific disbursement dates for each term on your school's financial aid website. Now, here is the most critical part of the process that many students don't realize. You never physically receive the full loan amount upfront. The lender, whether it's the federal government or a private bank, sends the money directly to your college or university. You are not the middleman in this transaction. The school's financial aid office receives the funds and immediately applies them to your student account. What's on your student account? It's your bill for tuition, mandatory fees, and if you're living on campus, your room and board charges. The school uses your loan money to pay this bill first. Think of it as an automated bill pay service. This is a good thing. It ensures your essential educational costs are covered before you see a single penny. This process of applying the funds to your account is often called crediting your account. You'll typically see a transaction on your student account portal showing a payment from Federal Direct Loan or the name of your private lender. After the loan money pays your tuition and fees bill, one of two things happens. Scenario 1. The loan money exactly covers your bill. In this case, your balance is zero, and the process is complete. Scenario 2, which is very common, the loan money is greater than your bill. This results in a credit balance on your account. This is where the part that most students are waiting for finally happens. That credit balance, the leftover money, is what gets sent to you as a student loan refund. It's crucial to reframe how you think about this money. A refund sounds like you're getting your own money back, but that's not the case. This is not a bonus or a gift. This is the remainder of your loan that you have already borrowed. You are 100% responsible for paying this back with interest. The school will process this refund, typically within a few days to 2 weeks after the loan disburses to your account. How you get it depends on your school's policy. Most schools will offer to direct deposit it into your personal bank account, which is the fastest method, or they will mail you a paper check. This refund money is intended for other legitimate educational expenses. What falls under that category? Textbooks, a laptop, school supplies, transportation costs like a bus pass or gas, and off-campus living expenses like rent and groceries. This is the money you're meant to live on while you're in school. This leads to the most important pro tip I can give you about the entire disbursement process. Be extremely strategic with your refund. The biggest financial mistake students make is treating this refund like found money, blowing it on restaurants, entertainment, or new clothes. Every dollar you spend from that refund is a dollar you will have to pay back with interest. Before the refund even hits your account, create a budget for your necessary expenses for the semester. If your refund is $2,000, calculate your estimated rent, food, and book costs. If you have money left over after budgeting for those essentials, the smartest move you can make is to contact your loan servicer and give that excess money back. You can typically do this within 120 days of the disbursement without paying any interest or fees. It's like you never borrowed it. This one habit can save you thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. A few other key things to know. Disbursements typically happen at least twice per academic year, once per semester. Your fall loan money is disbursed in the fall, and your spring money is disbursed in the spring. You don't get the entire annual amount all at once. Also, for first-time undergraduate borrowers, there is a special rule. There is a 30-day delay on the first disbursement of your federal loan money. So, don't plan on using that first loan refund to buy your books on the first day of class. You need to have a separate plan for those initial expenses. If your disbursement seems delayed, always check your student account portal first. There is often a to-do list holding up the process, like submitting a required document. Your financial aid office is the best resource for any disbursement questions. Understanding disbursement takes the mystery and anxiety out of the process. You know the money is coming, you know it goes to the school first, and you now know how to handle the refund like a responsible financial pro. Manage this part well, and you'll be setting yourself up for a much healthier financial future after graduation. Before we finish, a critical disclaimer: I am not a licensed financial advisor or representative of your school's financial aid office. The disbursement process and timelines can vary by institution and are subject to change based on federal and state regulations. The information in this video is for educational purposes only. You must always consult your specific college's financial aid website and office for the most accurate and personalized information regarding your disbursement dates and refund policies. All borrowing decisions should be made carefully, with a full understanding of the long-term repayment obligations.